Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Lull Mattress. I'm super excited because I have finally found the perfect mattress. For those of you guys who've been following me for a while, you know I'm a student of Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University and on a journey to become 100% debt-free. I'm currently on baby step number 2 to repay all of my debts. My debt is nearly $200,000 and I work part-time for myself, and last month I earned about $4,300. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you how I found the perfect mattress. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. It's much heavier. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm so super excited about my mattress. I am waiting for my frame and then I'm going to unbox this and remove this. If you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I have been in my studio. I should have waited to turn that light off. Let's go this way. You know I've been in my studio for about 6 months, since May. I need some shoes, but I don't want to take you guys in my closet because my whole house is a mess. I've just been working, so like my whole apartment is a mess. But for those of you who have been following me for a little bit, you know that I moved in my studio in May and I have been very strategic about, there's my mattress over there. I brought that up already, but my frame just came, so I'm going down to get that. Let me not show you all this over there. Sorry. I've been very strategic about the things that I have purchased and the times in which I chose to purchase them. So finding the perfect mattress was really important to me and I wanted to make that. I'll tell you guys when I come upstairs. So let's go get this frame. There's the frame. I'm so excited. Watch out, Katie. Okay, right here is good. Thank you so much. And I can pull it in. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So before I get everything unpacked, I did want to take a minute just to thank Lull for partnering with me on this video and being so kind as to send me a mattress. When I was doing the research for finding a mattress, there were a couple of things that were really important to me. The number one thing was comfort. I was willing to pay a little bit more of a premium price to ensure that I had the maximum amount of comfort because we spend so much of our lives sleeping, and as many of you guys know, rest is incredibly important to me in this season, and that is a habit and a practice that I want to carry forward throughout the rest of my life. So I really wanted to find a great quality mattress to be able to get really great rest on as I continue my journey financially, but then also as I continue to grow and expand my business. Second to that, it was sustainability. It's really important to me to think consciously about the products and services that I'm purchasing because I do want to be friendly to our environment. I know that we can't do everything, but I believe that, you know, doing something is better than doing nothing. And when I was reviewing Lull, they use sustainable materials inside of the mattress, but the other thing that they do is in their packaging, in their delivering, in their storage process, they really try to be as non-wasteful as possible. And so I thought that that was something that was just super awesome and really beautiful as well. You can see, for me, this is a queen bed that's in this box, and this is a queen frame that's in this box, and that's amazing that it comes so compact. And then I think the third thing that I was really looking for was convenience, because I don't know if anybody has ever tried to move a box spring and a mattress, a queen size box spring and mattress before, but it's kind of difficult. And even though these items were heavy, they were very compact and it was easy for neighbors to pitch in. The maintenance people helped pitch in for that, and a neighbor helped to pitch in for that. And I think it's really nice that it gets delivered straight to your door. So I'm super excited because I'm so grateful. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get like some of the best sleep in all the land. So instruction girl, so because I like for things to be done right, I'm just gonna peruse these instructions really quickly. To my instructions, it'll be 2 to 5 hours for it to expand a little bit more, and then in 24 to 48 hours it will be fully expanded. But just like so far, I feel incredible. The other things that I'm doing to invest in the highest quality sleep in all the land is thinking through the linen and additional accessories that I get. So I went to Marshall's and I picked up a couple of pillows. It was really hard to, this is changing the light. I picked up a couple pillows. It was actually really hard to find the type of pillows that I wanted, because I wanted to make sure that I had a goose down interior with a cotton exterior. I didn't want to have any sort of polyester in my pillows, because polyester is just another form of plastic, and when we sleep on plastic and our body temperature changes throughout the night, as I mentioned, I'm an anxious sleeper. So like, for example, if I'm like, I don't know, in my dreaming about fire, like I'll actually heat up, right? But what I also realize is that sometimes we heat up in the middle of the night is because we're wrapping ourselves in polyester, which is essentially like wrapping yourself in plastic. So whether it's your pillow or it's your sheets, or it's your pillowcases, you just want to make sure that you have like the highest quality cotton that you can afford, or natural materials that you can afford, so that that way it's breathable and that you can regulate your temperature throughout your sleep. So I was able to find these amazing pillows from Marshall, goose down feathers on the inside, and this shell is made out of cotton. So that's super awesome. And I'll have everything that I have linked in the down bar, so that way if you guys want to get it, you can totally get it. The linen, I actually purchased this from Amazon. I had an Amazon gift card. I did a speaking engagement at a high school a few weeks ago, and I had an Amazon gift card, so I was super excited about that, because I was again able to, through Amazon, find a super high quality 100% cotton 400 thread count sheet. One of the other things that I really love about these sheets, it's super soft. It's already been washed once, and it didn't like fall apart, and I followed the care instructions. But one of the things that I like about it is it's 100% cotton, and they also have a sustainability promise as well. So I'll make sure that I link these sheets in the down bar. And then the last thing that I got was a mattress protector. This is something that's really important. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find one without a poly blend. So there is a little bit of polyester in here, but not as much that would be in a traditional mattress protector. And that's just something that's really important, because this is a very high quality mattress and I want to keep it for as long as possible. And one of the best ways to do that is to put a proper mattress protector on top of it. And this is just to protect the mattress, but also to provide a little bit of extra comfort. Like sometimes when we're sleeping in beds, you know how like you just get into bed and you just feel like the bed is like like reaching up to hug you and comfort you as you're going to sleep. A lot of that just has to do with dressing the bed properly with proper linens, and a mattress pad is one of those things that will do that. And then I also got these these pillowcase protectors for my pillows. My skin is very, very sensitive, and since there's goose down in this and it's only covered by cotton, I wanted to make sure that there was a little extra layer of protection so that my skin wouldn't get irritated by the animal feathers. And so this is a pillow protector, so it will definitely protect the pillow in general from like stains and discoloration and all that jazz, but it'll also protect my skin from the interior. So this pillow protector will go on, and then my actual pillowcase will go on top of that, so that way, again, all of these high quality items will last as long as possible and support me in getting the best sleep in all the land. So now I'm just gonna make my bed, okay? Waking up on the Lull, and I will say that it feels a lot better. Day 2, I can feel that it expanded even more. I just feel so good. I'm just getting some amazing sleep. This is day 3 and slept without disturbances. Slept without, slept super well. Not gonna lie, like day 1 I was a little bit worried because I could still like feel the pressure like in my back and my shoulders, but that is gone now. I'm sleeping like a little baby. I love it. Day 4, every day it just gets better and better. I've been so tired and I haven't been getting very good sleep. So this is day 4 and it's awesome. Day 4. Okay, this is day 5 of waking up on the Lull mattress, and I just wanted to leave you guys with my final thoughts. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I was worried the first night because I could feel like the frame underneath it, but I realized it's just because the mattress had not expanded fully. But after the first night, like when I tell you the pressure like in my back and in my shoulders, it's just virtually disappeared. And I'm sleeping through the night, and I know that I'm sleeping through the night and not waking up because I'm waking up much earlier every single morning. I naturally would rise at about like 5:30, but I kind of fell off because, you know, I was on my air mattress for a while, and now I'm naturally just going back to my early AMs, which feels incredible. So I would definitely highly recommend the Lull mattress. I'm just so grateful for this level of sleep. So grateful. So super excited to go to sleep tonight, and I deeply appreciate you all for watching this video. If you are interested in a Lull mattress or any of the products that I talked about in this video, they will all be linked in the down bar below. So check that link in the description box below, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.